Intermittent fasting for beginners. Intermittent fasting is a practice that has gained a lot of popularity in the health industry over the past few years, especially for weight loss and maintaining lean body mass, but also as a preventive measure in the fight against chronic disease. For many people, there's a lot of confusion on how to do it properly and what to expect. So in this video, I'm going to provide a beginner's guide. I'm Rowan Foster and I'm an expert in physical and mental well-being. This is Growth Factor and our aim is to provide you with a toolbox of life skills so that you can become better at navigating through life's adversities. After spending much of my life fighting to overcome my own mental health struggles and life setbacks, I'm now on a journey to discovering the many different methods you can use to not only cope but thrive in times of adversity. In this channel, I'll explore many of the holistic methods we can use to promote personal growth as well as positive well-being, so you can instead be empowered to live your best life. So what do we mean by intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is where you restrict your eating to only a short time frame and withhold from eating for the rest. Now, this also includes the exclusion of most drinks, but the good news is only those with calorific value. So, consuming juices, energy drinks, or even coffee with milk is considered breaking the fast. But consuming water, black coffee, or black tea is not. Therefore, unless you're fasting for religious reasons, dry fasting is not considered an essential part of the process. In a nutshell, you need to avoid consuming anything with calorific content because this will start your metabolism going again and consequently break the fast. There are also many different types of fasting, which all have different benefits and outcomes. Typically, intermittent fasting is where you go without eating for 16 hours, restricting your eating to a window of 8 hours. The nature of this practice means that it can be done more regularly or even on a continuous basis. However, there are other types of fasting that can provide slightly different results. Now, 24-hour fasting is my favourite because this is where you start to see more significant health benefits other than just weight loss. In this method, you would go without eating for 24 hours, but practice it on a less regular basis due to the practicalities and increased demand on your body. However, it is worth it. 48-hour fasting is the same as 24-hour fasting, not eating for the aforementioned length of time, but the health benefits are increased yet further. However, it is recommended you only do this every couple of months. If you would like to know more about the health benefits you can experience from fasting, you can find all about this in my previous video covering the facts. If you like and have gained value from what you've seen so far, please hit the like button and share with your friends. And if you're interested in learning more about similar topics, please subscribe to my channel now, where I'll regularly be releasing more content on the similar subjects. So what is my experience? Fasting is not actually as difficult as it may seem. It does take some effort, discipline and determination, but there are some steps that you can use to help to make it far easier. It's true, you do experience some food cravings whilst fasting, but these do come in short waves and you can mitigate the effects by consuming water. Outside of fasting, I've had less cravings for sugary foods, and after I performed a water-only fast, I did find I needed less coffee to boost my energy levels. Whilst fasting, you do feel some drops in energy levels, but this can be managed through drinking black coffee or tea. However, outside the fasting window, I have seen improvements in my blood sugar levels, which has resulted in more sustained energy release and less crashes. Furthermore, I have still been able to exercise whilst fasting, completing 10k runs, 1.5 hour bike rides and workouts in the gym with little effect on my performance. Some do say it affects cognitive performance, but I can't really say that I've experienced that. More impressively though, I have experienced better mental health and an enhanced mood, which I would put down to an improved gut biome. And why do I do it? I want to prolong the quality of my life for as long as possible, both for myself and my family, but especially for my son. This means being in the best possible condition both physically and mentally so that I can live an active, healthy and pain-free life. In particular, I wanted to do what I could to avoid the onset of cancer, heart and neurodegenerative disease. Ultimately, I am doing it to optimise my performance so that I can make the time we share together the absolute best it can be. Remember, if you have gained value from this video, please hit the like button and share with your friends. And to see videos containing more information discussing similar topics, please subscribe to my YouTube channel now, where I'm regularly releasing similar content. But also, if there is a subject that you're interested in and would like me to cover in my videos, please message me in the comments box. In the Western world, fasting has always received a bad rep. But studies have shown that there are a wealth of health-related benefits from fasting that people were simply not aware of. If this allows for a healthier and greater quality of life, it's certainly worth giving a go. Thanks for watching.